Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in the camper. And what do you need in the camper? You need a little lighted mirror. So I got this LED lighted adjustable angle removable cosmetic mirror. So we're going to check this thing out and see how it works, and hopefully it will work good so I will have a mirror in the camper. So let's open it up here and see what we got. Let's see, first thing I see here is the wire, and it looks like it's USB to micro USB. And then in here, that's all we got there. And yep, I'll show you it empty. And then it comes with this here, and so it's got the, I guess, the little card about the information about it. And then we have some bubble wrap and the mirror here. So let's check this out. See how it looks. Ooh, nice. So it folds like that, and then it folds backwards. And we'll take off the plastic. I mean, with the plastic on, it doesn't shine very good. But there we go. And let's see, is there a switch or anything right there? I wonder if it needs to be plugged in to use. I do, thankfully, I have an outlet. So we're gonna plug this in right here. And I'll plug it into the back. So you can see on the back, there's the little outlet. And now, ooh, there we go. So we can see it. I don't know, not the best location for it, but you get the idea. So it works. I'll show you here. So here it is. And to make it work, you just push the button and it'll change some colors there. Make it different brightnesses, and there it's off. So that's how it works. And that is really cool. And it does have a battery in it. So we're gonna try this and see if it even got a little bit of a charge or how it works. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm unplugged and it's still working. I think just it hadn't been used before, so it needed a little bit of a charge. And you can see here it's just getting pretty dim right now. But that is it. So it needs to be charged for sure, but it works. So there we go. Pretty sweet. Nice to have a little mirror, and then you can just fold it up, stick it in the cabinet, and then it's ready for next time. So I like this. This is going to be good. I'll be able to actually see myself again here in the camper, and it's pretty nice. Nice mirror. I like it. It looks like it's got a good view. You can see there's the get you guy on the infinity here. See yourself over and over and over again. Okay, so that's it. So I like it. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.